Case 3 Nana, very important. Here Nana, this is the wall Nana, wall. Look here, very important, wall Nana. This is the source Nana. What is the use of source in the chapter? To produce the sound Nana. Here, source moves towards the wall Nana. Behind the source, observer is there. Here, look here. This observer is at rest Nana in the question. According to question, once again I repeat. This is the wall Nana. This is the wall. This is the wall. Okay. Here Nana, this is the source Nana. What is the use of source? To produce the sound Nana. What is the observer Nana? What is the use of observer? Listen the sound Nana. Okay. Here Nana, according to question, observer is at rest and behind the source Nana. Source moving towards the observer. Nana, observer listen two types of sound Nana. ఒకటి ఏంటి అంటే సోర్స్ నుంచి వచ్చే డైరెక్ట్ సౌండ్ నాన్న. డైరెక్ట్ సౌండ్ అనగానే లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న, దిస్ ఈజ్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ ఇంటూ హియర్ అబ్జర్వర్ అట్ రెస్ట్ కాబట్టి న్యూమరేటర్ V0 ఉండదు నాన్న. హియర్ VS మరి మైనసా ప్లసా డిసైడ్ చేద్దాం రండి. హియర్ అబ్జర్వర్ ఎట్ రెస్ట్ నాన్న. Source moving towards the wall means away from the observer nana. Away from the observer means observer listen less sound. Less sound means here plus, because both are inversely. Okay, this is the direct sound formula. Equation number 1 nana. Okay, next nana, n direct completed nana. Next nana, this is source nana, moves towards the wall nana. Source to produce the sound in all direction. It will be again, it will be reflect nana. According to optics, wall acts as a mirror nana. Velocity of the object equal to velocity of the image. Once again, the wall acts as a mirror nana. Velocity of the object equal to velocity of the image. Nana, here this is the observer nana. This is the reflected sound nana. Reflected sound. This is the reflected sound nana. This reflected sound coming from wall nana. Here wall acts as a virtual source. Here this is the observer. Here virtual source nana. Here source moving towards the observer nana. So that is called n reflected sound. Look here, once again I discuss n into, okay, V by V minus Vs. Once again I repeat nana. Here this reflected sound, okay, coming from ఎక్కడి నుంచి, వాల్ నుంచి. వాల్ని మనం ఏమనుకుంటాం, వర్చువల్ సోర్స్ అనుకుంటాం. వాల్ని వర్చువల్ సోర్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అకార్డింగ్ టు వాల్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ ఏ మిర్రర్ నానా. ఇన్ ద ఆప్టిక్స్ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్. సో ఇలా విఎస్ అయితే ఇలా కూడా విఎస్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఈ సోర్స్ మూవింగ్ towards the observer nana. Wall acts as a virtual source. So that's why this Vs, this is the observer. Source moving towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. Here maximum రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి, మినిమం. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2 ననా. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వర్కి 2 సౌండ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి నాన్న. ఒకటి డైరెక్ట్ సౌండ్, ఇంకొకటి రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ సౌండ్. హియర్ హౌ మెనీ వేవ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 2 waves are there. Slightly difference in frequencies. Difference in frequencies. Both are superimposed. Maximum sound heard, minimum sound heard. Maximum sound and minimum sound is called as waxing. Maximum sound is minimum sound is called as beat. Okay, waxing is nothing but the maximum sound. Vanning is nothing but the minimum sound. Waxing plus vanning is called as beat. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతాయి, బీట్స్. ఒకటి డైరెక్ట్ సౌండ్ నాన్న, ఇంకొకటి రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ సౌండ్. బోత్ ఆర్ సూపర్ ఇంపోజ్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ద బీట్స్ నాన్న. బీట్స్ ఫార్ములా, జనరల్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ డెల్టా n ఈక్వల్ టు n1 డిఫరెన్స్ n2. That means simply called as larger frequency minus smaller frequency. Here larger frequency is reflected, smaller frequency is direct sound. Here substitute none, n reflected, equation number 2. Equation number 2 nunchi n into v by v minus vs. N direct sound means n into v by v plus vs. Here v indicate velocity of sound, vs indicate velocity of source. Here common term is nv. Here nana 1 by, look here nana, v minus vs, 1 by v plus vs. Today I discussed so many times here. Finally we get delta n approximately 2n vs by v. Okay. Once again I repeat the question nana, look here. This is the wall nana, directly to remembering, because only this is objective JEE mains. This is the wall. This is the source. Source moving towards the wall, observer behind the source and observer at rest. Okay, observer listen, direct sound, observer listen, reflected sound. So, two waves are superimposed, observer listen, beats none. What is the beat frequency formula? Delta n equal to 2n Vs by V. Here n indicate actual frequency of sound, Vs indicate velocity of the source, V indicate velocity of sound. Directly to remembering. This derivation cannot be required. Okay, do not require the derivation. Only listen. Here observer is behind the source. Observer listen two sounds, directed sound and reflected sound. Here wall acts as a virtual source nana. According to wall is called nothing but the mirror. Velocity of the object equal to velocity of the image. Next nana, I discuss last point nana. Look here today. Okay, last point nana. Case 4 nana. Look here. This is the wall nana. Okay, this is the source nana. Source moving towards the wall nana. Here observer stands means observer at rest nana. Look here. In the previous situation, observer behind the source nana. In the present situation, observer placed between the source and wall nana. Here in the present situation, observer is between the source and wall nana. Observer is placed between the source and wall. Okay, look here nana. In this situation, actually here nana, look here. Observer listen direct sound nana. Here this is the direct sound. According to this situation, source moving towards the stationary observer. Direct formula I give n into v by v vs. Nana, source moving towards the observer. That means observer listen maximum sound, write as minus. Okay, this is the direct sound formula nana. Next situation, here this is source, so here and reflected. This also reflected also towards the observer nana. This is the reflected sound nana. N into V by, look here nana. Here also wall acts as a virtual source. Source moving towards the observer. In this situation also V by V minus Vs. Look here. Okay. That means directed sound frequency and reflected sound frequency same nana. What is the delta n formula? Delta n means beat frequency formula is n1 minus n2. Both are same, so both are cancelled. Finally we get 0. That means one situation to understand. Source and wall between observer. Observer is standing between source and wall. The observer no beats he can be heard. Observer no beats can be heard now. Observer no beats can be heard. In the last situation, Nana, look here, Nana. All will be revised also, Nana. Look here. Case 5, Nana. This is the source, Nana. This is the source. This is the observer, Nana. Look here. This is the wall, Nana. Wall. Okay. Here, velocity of source is Vs. Velocity of the observer is V0. Velocity of source is Vs. Velocity of the observer is V0. Here Nana, both are moving, Nana. In the previous situations, observer at rest. In the present situation, both are moving, Nana. Both are moving. Observer listen. First direct sound, Nana. What is the formula for indirect, Nana? Both are moving in the same direction. Yesterday I discussed the formula V minus V0. V minus V0 by V minus Vs. Okay? This is the equation number 1. This is the direct sound formula. And again, what is the formula for reflected sound, Nana? Look here, reflected sound. This source to produce the sound, Nana. Look here, this wave is reflected. Here, Nana, this is the reflected, Nana. In this situation, observer moving here, source moving here. That means this is the observer, this is the source. Both are approach, Nana. Both are approach. Both are approach. Here, wall acts as a virtual source. That is called imaginary source. Both are approach, Nana. That is a reflected formula n into. Okay. Here in this situation, first write general formula V V0 V Vs. Look here now. Here first here observer can be taken in the numerator. Observer can taken. Other is at rest. Other considered as a rest. This is rest. Observer moving towards the source. He listen maximum sound, Nana. That means V plus V0. Okay. And again here source can be taken. In the situation, source moving, but other is at rest. Other is at rest. Observer at rest, Nana. Source moving towards the observer. Observer listen. Maximum sound, Nana. Maximum means here write what, Nana? Minus. Okay. This is the direct sound frequency formula. This is reflected sound formula. This can be explained again. Look here, Nana. N. Here reflected n into what is the general formula? V0 V Vs. Here in this situation both are approach, Nana. Here V0 can be taken. This will be moving. Other consider as a rest. That means source is at a rest. Observer moving towards the source. He listen maximum sound. That means here write plus. Okay. Next situation, Nana. Here source can be taken. Source is moving, but other will be rest. Observer at rest. That means source moving towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. That means here write minus. Okay. In this situation, Nana, here also to determine beat frequency, Nana. Beat frequency means N1 difference N2. Here N into first. Nana, this is the larger, Nana. N into V plus V0 by V minus Vs minus N into V minus V0 by V minus Vs. Common term is N, Nana. N, Nana. Here LCM is V minus Vs, Nana. Look here, V plus V0 minus V plus V0 minus V plus V0. Here V what? Cancel. N into 2 V0 by V minus Vs. In the situation, finally we get 2N V0 by V minus Vs. This is the formula for beat frequency. All situations I can explain again to see. Only just I discuss formulas, Nana. Today also I give assignment 94 to 106, 95 to 106. The problems to solve after the class, after completion of classes. Look here, Nana. This is the observer, Nana. Initially source approach, finally source away. Okay, here observer is at rest. In this situation, the drop in frequency heard by the observer is direct formula I give 2n Vs by V. Okay. Next situation. Here source nana. Here observer moving approaches initially. Next observer moving away. Here also drop in frequency heard by the observer. ORR difference between maximum frequency and minimum frequency is 2n V0 by V. Okay, this is another method. Next method is this is the wall. Okay, look here now. This is the source source moving towards the observer. Source moving towards the wall. Observer behind the source observer is at rest and behind the source. In this situation, observer listen direct sound and reflected sound to produce the beat frequency formula is here 2n Vs by V. Okay, this is the formula for in this situation. Next situation, this is the source moving towards the wall, and here observer standing, that means observer at rest, and observer place between the source and wall. In this situation, number of beats becomes 0. And again, last situation, this is the wall, here this is the source, this is the observer. Both are moving towards the wall. Both are moving towards the wall. What is the formula? What is the formula for beat frequency? Ante 2n V0 by V minus Vs. This is the final formula for beat frequency. These are applications of Doppler effect. Here mainly here wall is considered as a mirror. Mirror is called as virtual source. For example, this is the mirror. This is the object, object speed is V0. This is the image, image speed also V0. But both are traveling in opposite direction. That means this wall acts as in the situation mirror, velocity of the object equal to velocity of the image. So that's why here source moving in this direction Vs. Here source moving in this direction also Vs. That means general regular wave, reflected wave, both are traveling in the same speed because this wall acts as a virtual source. ORR wall acts as a mirror. Okay, in this situation to discuss assignment problems I give 95 to 106 today to solve all the problems. Tomorrow I discuss different models and different phenomena. Tomorrow is only just half an hour class. Okay, okay, వినిపిస్తుందా?